In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and play Living in 2020 Story Choice. So Living in 2020 is an interactive story or visual novel about a young boy living in COVID-19 pandemic. So in order to download this game, first of all, what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and open Play Store on your phone. Then you're going to tap on the search box at the top of your screen, and in here, you're going to type in for Living in 2020. After that, you'll be able to see here your game on the front screen. So you're going to tap on that and then just tap on install. And once it's done, you can just tap on play. By default, this game comes in Indonesian, but if you want to switch to English, you're going to tap on the menu bar at the upper left side of your screen and then just tap on English. So if you go back to the home page, you're just going to tap on anywhere on the screen to begin the game. As you can see here, the first chapter is the beginning, in which the man got layoffs because of company laws. You're just going to tap on the screen and follow the instructions to play the game. In the similar way, you can tap on the options and items on your screen one by one to play this game.